Are you worried that someone might be spying on your iPhone? If so, don't stress. In this guide, we'll walk you through some easy steps to help you spot any spying activity and protect your privacy. You may notice strange behavior, unexpected apps showing up, or accounts you don't recognize. This could all be signs of spyware. Let's dive in and make sure your iPhone stays secure. Solution 1. Monitor your battery usage. Open the Settings app again. Then tap Battery. Scroll down to see which apps are using up your battery. If you notice an app that's draining your battery and you don't use it often, it could be a sign of spyware. Be sure to remove any app that seems out of place or suspicious. Solution 2. Find out what information you're sharing. Open Settings once more. Tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select Safety Check. Tap Manage Sharing and Access. Enter your passcode to continue. Then tap Continue multiple times until you get to the list of devices connected to your Apple ID. Look for any unknown devices. If you find one, tap on it and remove it from your Apple ID. Solution 3. Look for unknown configuration profiles. Open Settings again. Scroll down and tap General. Scroll down again and tap VPN and Device Management. If you see any configuration profiles that you didn't install, this might indicate that someone has control over your device. Solution 4. Update your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. Keeping your iPhone updated is key to fixing security holes that could be used by spyware to gain access to your device. Solution 5. Erase your iPhone. Open Settings one last time. Scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down again and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings. This will wipe all data from your iPhone, including any spyware that may have been installed. If you want to completely get rid of any potential spyware, make sure you erase your iPhone without copying any data to another device. Transferring data could also move over any malware or viruses. By following these steps, you should be able to check for any signs of spying on your iPhone and take action to protect your privacy. If you notice any serious issues or continue to have concerns, it might be a good idea to contact Apple support or a professional to help secure your device further. Stay safe.